दुग्गर विस्ता दी टीम अज तुसीं मिलान जा दी है एक फॉरनर कुड़ी कन्नै। ये जड़ी बेचारी काफ़ी देर तू साढ़े जम्मू च फिरा दी है। अस दिक्खी सकने हैं कि इसी इंटरस्ट है साढ़े डोगरा कल्चर च, आर्ट हिस्टरी च। ते फिलहाल काफ़ी टाइम तू ये नगरोटा ने ते एक स्कूल च अपना टाइम व्यतीत कराई जाना। ये सब जानने ते अज असें इहदे कन्नै मिले हाँ ते इन्हें जानने कि इंदे बारे च इंदे विचारधारा की है ते इन्हें जम्मू आइए केह् लग्गे है नहीं ते जम्मू दे लोग इन्हें कनेह् लगे। First of all, Sarah, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
So we would like to have a basic introduction so that our audience knows a basic about you.
So I'm a solo traveler. So for the past year and a half, I've been traveling for about India, and I've been mostly by myself, but I meet people along the way and traveled about 13 countries during that time. Yeah.
So you have been traveling to India since?
Yeah, so I arrived in November for 3 months, and then I left for some time, and then I returned back because I do love the country.
In the last year only?
4 months.
But in the last year, 2023 only?
Yeah.
Okay. So you are new to India basically?
Yes, quite new.
So what else country did you visited before coming to India?
So right before India, I was in Egypt, and I did like Turkey, Bulgaria. I was in UK for a while, and then I just did a lot of the countries in Schengen, like Netherlands.
As I can look at it from a very common man perspective, like you have traveled to 13, 14 countries throughout the world, and some of them are even ancient cities like Egypt, which has a common tie between India and Egypt since a very long time. We can trace it back to like 4,000, 5,000 years back. So I would like to ask you this: what difference did you feel when you were in Egypt, or when you compare to other countries to India? What is the one thing, or what is the thing that you feel that India is good for this thing, or we have this better thing?
Well, I think, well, for starters, like every single country is so different and unique.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's hard to put it in words, but it's just the culture and the people and how they treat you. And for example, like Bulgaria, the people there were a bit more reserved, I would say. I wasn't able to connect to the locals as much as other countries.
Okay.
And then they also didn't speak a lot of English as well. And then in Egypt, it was such a beautiful country. I do recommend it. And the history is amazing, like unlike any other country. But I found like the people there, they weren't exactly, especially the men, they weren't really used to having like Western women around. And so they would almost like treat us and talk to us in a way that would make me feel uncomfortable. And I get it, it's the culture difference. And then when I went to India, like a lot of people are like, oh, you get a culture shock when you go to India, but I didn't feel that because from Egypt, I was so used to like walking the street and people would be like yelling like directly at me. But then in India, it wasn't so much like that. Yes, I would get stares because like I look different, but there was less like talking at me. And I actually found the streets, as loud as it is, and like the honking, quite peaceful almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I didn't need to adjust too much to that. Yeah.
Okay. So I think that's good when we listen about India in a good way. But when you talk about stares, in India, there is a common mentality. Whenever we have something different, we generally look at it, and it becomes stares for girls. Whenever for this problem or the point which you are mentioning has been underlined by many other foreign women, those who cited the same point. So I must request all of us कि भाई ऐसे मत बुरो, लोगों को अनकंफर्टेबल लगता है, जिससे हम तो अपनी जो मन की फीलिंग है वो बता नहीं पा रहे, लेकिन दूसरों को अनकंफर्टेबल लग सकता है. तो इंस्टेड हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि अगर हमें बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट आ भी रहा है तो वी मस्ट डायरेक्टली गो टू देम एंड टॉक टू देम इन अ वेरी पोलाइट एंड गुड मैनर, कि अगला भी अनकंफर्टेबल ना हो और हमारे देश की जो छवि है दोस्तों वो अच्छी तरह जाए, हर जगह अच्छी तरह फैले. सो you are in Jammu right now. So when did you arrive in Jammu?
I arrived on the 20th.
Okay, so it's just a week.
Yeah, so it's been a week.
So have you traveled to local Jammu areas?
Yes, I went into the old city.
Okay.
The old yesterday. And yeah, some other places here and there. I'm not exactly sure like where it is, but yeah, I have visited